Right here, I'm gonna put it right here. I got a no start Wrangler. All right, take my key. Where is the key? Where is the key? And ladies and gentlemen, nothing, nothing, absolutely nothing. All right, let me grab my scan tool. We're gonna scan this thing. We're gonna start some diagnosis, guys. Y'all, we're gonna have some fun, man. So y'all buckle up, be patient. We're gonna try to figure this out right here, okay? Because y'all see how much trouble it would take for me to get this car pushed or pulled up the hill inside the shop. Yes, a lot of trouble, okay? Now, so knowing that, we're gonna try. I use the word try. We're gonna try the diagnosis right here. All right, where's my scan tool? Let's get started, guys. All right, guys, I'm inside. I'm trying to log in to this system. Let me turn this key on. They just towed it. They just parked it out here. It was towed in, so no start. So, where did you start on a no start diagnostic? Okay, let's see here, guys. What will my... Okay, I got 8 codes. No big deal. Do they have anything to do with my no crank? Let's take a look under... Where is PCM? Whoa! Nothing's on the PCM. Okay, the next thing you should go to, guys, is the wireless control module, because that is the key function. Let's click that. See what kind of code, because this very well could be. This is a no crank, guys. Difference between a no crank and a no start. Man, I hate this. Let me turn this way. See if I can get a better view. And it won't even rotate. So, the one that won't rotate. Now, whoa, look at these codes. Turn sideways. There you go. Whoa, look at these codes. ECU configuration mismatch. That's active. ECU. I got a code for P1. Can y'all see that? P1605 ignition switch. Okay, this very well could be a skim module problem. Guys, let me see something. Okay, my lock's working. Turn the key. Nothing. Alright. There goes my diagnosing it outside B2204 B1809. Now I saw, guys, let's go back a long ways. Let me see if maybe, just maybe, this flash, because I saw a flash inside the right here. Let me see something. Let's do this. Let's read this. See, this flash have something to do. Whoa, look at this, guys. No start, no crank, intermittent B2204 ECU configure. Oh, guys, we on to something. We are on to something. Flash. Here goes another one. Flash. No start. No crank. Invalid key. Whoa! I have just... Now, I'm outside, but I want to see, can I actually flash this? If I flash this thing out here and I crank, I'm a bad dude. Let me see something. But I still think, let's do this. Because this flash very much covers this complaint. We're going to flash this out here, guys. Let me just type anything. I hope. One thing I hate is when the communication break down. You know, I'm dealing with Wi-Fi and server speed and things like that. You limited to what the bandwidth and all that is. So inside, it's not so risky. Battery too low. Oh my goodness. Dude, we're gonna have to take this chance. Select yes. because I'm flashing the wireless control module, which I think I may need to replace anyway. So let's flash this and see what happens. I'm gonna leave the camera running and just speed it up doing editing, because I want y'all to see. Y'all hear that? I just heard the bell signal from the key. That might fix it, guys. There was a flash update for no crank, no start. Okay. I just literally found that out here. Went on the there was no code in the PCM. Anytime you have a no crank or a no start, anytime you have a no start, there should be a code in the PCM, because that module monitors everything starting related. Now, anytime you have a no crank, there's a lot of other modules that directly monitoring that. And in this case, the skim and the key. Hey, what am I like? No, don't do this to me. Oh, my phone ain't dying. Oh, good. So, what I'm doing, the skim and the key, and in this case, the WCM has some fault codes. So, what I did was went to the WCM. I saw a lightning bolt by the WCM signaling skim. Okay. Signaling there's a flash update in that module. So what I'm doing right here outside, guys, I'm near the dealer, so don't get me wrong. The dealer, y'all can see, I'm on the lot. It's just I'm outside of the server's reach. So right now I'm dependent on Verizon Wireless to get me out of this jam. Imagine if I was in an emergency, I'm in the middle of nowhere. That's how dependent we are of high technology now. You know, Wi-Fi servers and things like that. We are so dependent on this stuff to where without it, we are useless. We are nothing. Okay? And God, I do not want to push this thing way up there to the light to do this. Thank goodness we're portable. And it hasn't been that long ago since and guys, y'all keep calling this an app. Where can I get that app? What can I get? It's an app per se, but it's not really an app that's out for purchase. Here, where I'm at now, I am a dealer personnel. I am a FCA employee. So, which means if I'm a technician, I have to have access to this software, to this, to this data in order to perform my job. Guys, tool alone nowadays don't make you a mechanic. You need a computer. You need access to this, Mitchell. You need everything, guys. There's more to it nowadays than just being there's more to being a mechanic than just having tools. Yes, you still got to have tools. Oh, I'm up to 99%, guys. It went through. At least it appears that it went through. I don't want to speak too soon. Okay. Rescanning vehicle. So I let this whole thing run. I didn't do no editing. Now I want to see ECU is up to date. Guys. View DTCs. I'm going to clear DTCs. Guys, here we go. Let's see if this start. I didn't pull no trickery on y'all. I'm going to turn the key off. Take it out. Hey, I'm going to see if it start. Here we go. Oh, nothing. Okay, obviously that flash did not fix the problem, even though the flash stated it was for a no crank situation. Let me erase all these codes. Okay, I got active codes that come right back. ECU configuration mismatch. ECU, what do you mean by that? B2204. Yes, that's what I had. So this module, this skill module may be too far gone. So, in my opinion, guys, if they'd have flashed this thing sooner, they wouldn't have to replace it. Now we have no choice. No, I don't want to flash. Now we have no choice, guys. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead. I need a skill. I need a skill module. I can't take the risk of just doing a skill module without a key. So I will have to get a key, guys. Now, what you can do, let's do this, guys. Because there's some feature. I want to see if it's even seeing crank. What are you doing? Calibration, current part number. All right, we don't want to flash. Although, let's do this. Let's restore everything and see what happens. Starting restore configuration. Key on. In 1 moment. Oh man, because I want to look inside. That's why I like when guys ask me questions, I give them that's some information they leave off. Like the way I go by testing no crank, I need to see what the computer sees. If the computer's seeing no crank, as in you turn the car to crank mode, and that particular module did not show it, then okay, something's wrong with this. Then yeah, there's nothing you can do. See, I don't even hear a click, guys. Like as in the power getting to the starter. Let's go back to the wind module and see, look at some data. I want to see ECU configuration mismatch. So let me try to match everything up. Restore vehicle. That's what we want to do. Starting restore vehicle configuration. 1 moment. So I guess it's going to take all the modules and learn them to communicate with each other. But it's not, it keeps freezing up right here, guys. We very well could have yeah, it's freezing up. I need a skill module and a key. This is one of those, this is a 13. Let's go read and see what they want us to do. Configuration. Let's read this one. What do they recommend? Alright, on this car, possible cause. Wireless control module, central key remote. Okay, yeah, pretty much. If you see this code, look, possible cause. Y'all see that? The only possible cause that would cause this is a wireless control module, central key remote entry module screen. Wow, that's pretty. I mean, for shits and giggles, let's read. Number 1, turn ignition on. Number 2, with the scan to clear DTCs, I did. Perform 5 ignition key cycles, leaving the ignition switch on. Does the code reset? Yes. Replace the wireless control module. Guys, it's pretty self-explanatory. Alright. Under that code, this is the only thing. Yep. Alright. I still say, had they programmed this early on in its life, it would probably last a little while longer. Okay, I'm done, guys. I didn't mean to hold y'all for 15 minutes ranting and going on. Y'all know I like to chop up my videos down to a good between 8 and 10, but it is what it is. Some people want to hear and some people want to see. So until next time, I'm finna go write up a skim module and a key, and I'll show y'all how to do that. Fairly easy, guys. No big deal. So we'll go through that. All right, stay tuned. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.